In honor of Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, Carol is sharing her family's favorite recipe, which is the pork and pepper stir fry. Place the sliced pork in a large bowl and then add salt, soy sauce, broth, cooking wine, and cornstarch. Combine all the ingredients and ensure the pork is evenly coated with the mixture. Marinate it for 15 to 30 minutes and then add 2 tablespoons of canola oil and mix again. Add 1/4 cup of cooking oil to the wok and heat medium-high heat until hot. Add the pork mixture and stir until cooked. Remove the pork from the wok and add garlic to the remaining oil to fry. Now add the peppers, drizzle the soy sauce, and stir until the peppers are softened. Mix in the pork, stir until it's all thoroughly cooked, and enjoy with a side of jasmine rice.